In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Docs in Confluence. By the end, you'll have a live Google Doc displaying right inside your Confluence page, so your team can read it without switching tabs. First, prepare your Google Doc. Open the document you want to share and click Share. In the top right corner, set access to anyone with the link can view, or choose the permission that matches your team's needs. View is usually best for keeping content consistent, but if your workflow allows feedback, you can use Commenter. Then click Copy Link. Getting the sharing settings right is essential. Confluence shows the doc, but Google still controls who can actually see it. If someone doesn't have Google access, they'll be prompted to request it, even if the Confluence page is open to them. Now, head over to the Confluence page where you want the doc to appear and click Edit to enter the editor. Pick the exact spot you want the document to display. This helps keep the layout tidy and makes the page easier to scan for your teammates. Paste the Google Docs URL directly into the editor and press Enter. Confluence will turn that plain link into a smart link preview automatically. You'll see a small card or inline preview appear, which confirms the link was recognized correctly. I've placed the official links to Google Docs and Atlassian Confluence at the very top of the description, so you can jump straight to them if you need to open or sign in. Next, switch the smart link to an embedded view. Click on the smart link block to reveal its display options and choose Embed. The document will render right on the page with a scrollable frame. This view keeps your content up to date automatically because it's pulling the latest version from Google. Remember, the embed respects the sharing settings you configured earlier, so set those thoughtfully. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your team can now open the Confluence page and read the embedded Google Doc without leaving your workspace. If you later update the Google Doc, those changes will appear instantly in Confluence, so there's no need to re-upload anything. It's a great way to centralize knowledge, reduce context switching, and keep a single source of truth across tools. And that's the quick way to embed Google Docs in Confluence. Keeping your documents inside your workspace makes collaboration much smoother. Thanks for watching.